Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find out fuses relays for the ignition coils on GMC Terrain D generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, we'll explain where you can find them. Please do not waste your money on new ignition coils, parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. You will have two fuses that control them. We'll talk about the relays as well. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, the ignition coils, fuses, relays come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners will not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side here, guys, on the driver's side, you see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Right next to it on the right side you have the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there. Release them, leave that cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And for the ignition coils, guys, specifically we need to check, we'll start with two fuses, then we'll talk what else you need to check if you have problems with them. One of the fuses will control, I think, the odd numbers, one even numbers of ignition coils, where they're located now. Starting here, guys, okay, you see that fuse 37. Fuse number 37 is the first fuse you need to check for ignition coils, and fuse number 38. These two fuses are the main fuses for the ignition coils. If you still have problems with ignition coils, you don't have a relay, you just have these fuses known as relay fuses. But you may need to check fuses and relays for the engine computer. You have secondary fuses and relays that support the ignition coils. So if you don't know where the engine computer fuses relays are located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.